Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesadu Sitantolong, Baba Oloyin original. I am living at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesi Ota, near Sango Ota, in Ogun State. Yes, I come again today. I want to talk about coconut water. You know, in my past video, I taught you how you can use coconut water. How you can use coconut water. In that video, I told you that nobody knows how water enter coconut. Then how you can use coconut so that you will be seeing money and you won't spend badly in that video. Yes, I told you that some people they receive money but they don't know how they squander it every month. If you do that one, it is in my book, Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. If you buy the book, we have two books on PDF now. We have Honey as a Medicine and we have Healing Power of Honey. This is Healing Power of Honey. It's Yoruba and English. Agbára ìwòsàn oyin, Healing Power of Honey. It's on PDF. They can send it to you on WhatsApp. You can send it to you on your Gmail or email, anyone you prefer. Honey as a Medicine, this is the second one, and this is the latest book, Honey as a Medicine. If you buy this book, you will see it. If you cannot come to our office at Iyesi Ota, near Sango Ota, you can go to our agent at Mushin, number 4 Alokola Street, Mushin. We have a branch at Bariga. If you call us, if you call me after this program, we will direct you. We have a branch at Oshodi. We have a branch at Ikoto-Igbe also. If you call me, I will direct you. You can WhatsApp me on my phone number 0054749455. Listen again, 0054749455. If you WhatsApp me, I will reply. I always tell people that if you call me, the number is not good. Then you send your message on WhatsApp, I will reply you. Because I always busy. And I always tell people that when somebody is with me, you come from a far place. I cannot leave the man on seat. Then begin to take call. Some people, when they are phoning me like this, some can spend 1 hour talking. But send your message on WhatsApp. They said they want to talk to me directly. If my PA carry the phone, they say no, they want to talk to Baba. And Baba cannot divide himself to two. So always send your message on WhatsApp. If I need to call you, I will tell you. If I'm less busy sometimes, I will send message to you, say you can call me now. I'm available now. So about this coconut water, I want to tell you that you can use this water for retentive memory. There are some students, when they teach them something, they can't grab it easily. And it's affecting them. Not only students need retentive memory. If you're a trader, you need retentive memory. Because there are some traders, you see, when they are in the market, they are co-sellers. They will come to them, say, Mama Bosse, please borrow me 200 naira for change. The other one will come, Mama Bosse, can I see change of 200 naira from you so that I do change for other person and for my customers. When the person is going home, if he or she happen to collect that money, it will be a shortage in the market. Yes, if you see bus conductor, if you give them bad money, whenever they want to give you change, they will give you bad money because they notice that you give them bad money. So when they want to give change, so they use retentive, they need retentive memory, and they are using Shoyi. So this is the simple retentive memory I want to give you now. If you have a boy or girl that is going to school and you think that he's not very sharp, if he or she is not sharp, he's dull, they teach him, he's always lacking behind in the class. You can get this coconut water. You pour it inside a cup, add 1 spoon of original honey. If you use sugar cane honey, it will not work. If you use adulterated honey, it will not work. You put 1 spoon of honey, original honey, mix it together, with coconut water. Let the person drink it at least once in a week. If you want to be doing it every Sunday, if it's only Tuesday, once in a week. You can do it in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon. But the person must be between 5 years and above. 50 years old man can use it, 80 years old can use it. If your child is not up to 5 years, you don't do this. Yes. If you have a boy or girl, you want him to have a very sharp brain, you can use only for that one. Early in the morning, just small teaspoon of honey. Give the boy or girl before he or she goes to school. You know, some people are 2 years old, 3 years old are going to kindergarten or so these days now. Yes. So every 3 days you can do that. Teaspoon of honey. Give him or her before food. He or she will get retentive memory and very sharp. If you open your computer, either laptop or desktop, you see something like this in form of bees. Yes, they invented computer from bees. If you see the beehive that we put in the bush like this, if they travel out for 2 months, they can travel from Lagos to Ibadan. When they want to come back, they will not miss road. Bees will never miss road. When they travel out, if we have beehives, if we have 50 in a farm like this, the bees that live here that go to another place like this, whenever they want to come back, they will not do mistake of going to another box. That box we used to produce bees is what we call beehive. So that box, if they live here, they travel to Ibadan to Ogbomoso, they can travel from Abuja to Iseyin. Whenever they want to come back to the same farm, they will not do mistake of going to another box. They will come exactly to the box where they left. They will come back to it because they get retentive memory. So they are sharp. So we use honey. Any retentive memory they want to do for people, you know they will ask you to bring honey. They will use original honey for it. And this is the simple one I am teaching you free of charge. It's just a bonus because this one is not in my book. It is not in my book. I'm just giving you. Because many people, they are calling me, Baba, please help us for retentive memory. I put one retentive memory inside this book. But sometimes people who are not in Nigeria, who are outside the country, they can find it difficult to do that one. So but this is the easiest one. You can get your coconut in London, you can get it in America, you can get it in Japan. This common thing. Yes, this is the common thing you can do. Coconut water and honey. But let me tell you one thing. Anybody that use this coconut, if you want to eat this coconut, it is only that person that must eat it. Not that when you do this thing, you begin to share it. But say, come and take your own. Idaya, come and take your own. No. If you use this coconut water, any coconut you use this water. The person that used the water for retentive memory has the right to eat the coconut. If you don't want to eat it, you can throw it inside bush. Yes. And when you prepare it, you drink it at once. Not that when you prepare, say, I can't finish it. When I come back from school, I will come and take the rest. No. Do according to how I am teaching you now. Yes. Do it according to how I teach you now, so that it will work for you accordingly. Don't forget, you can't share this coconut. You can't share. Once the water is used by somebody. Yes, you can throw. If you don't want to eat it, if the person don't want to eat it, you can throw it in. You can throw it to the bush or your dustbin. Yes, you can throw it away. But the water with the honey must be drank immediately for the person you do it for, either a girl or a boy. It's the person that want to use this preparation must start from 5 years old. From 5 years old upward. If your child is not up to 5 years, it is only honey you need for that. Only honey. That one is inside the book, honey as a medicine. But this one I'm teaching you is not in the book. Don't forget we have 2 books on PDF now. Honey as a medicine and healing power of honey. Yes. If you want to make your payment, you call me. I give you account number, you pay. Then I send the book to you on your WhatsApp. But if you need hard cover, they can still post it to you. If you can pay, no problem. Don't forget my phone number. My phone number is 0054749455. Listen again. 0054749455. You can WhatsApp me. I'm using this number for WhatsApp also. My WhatsApp number is that number I just called now. 0054749455. Then those of you that you are sharing, please don't forget to share this video, especially you students. As you hear this information, share it among your friends. If you have a friend that you know is not very sharp, you can help him or her. Yes, you have a friend and you know is a very good friend to you. You can share this video to them or your WhatsApp. I always tell them to subscribe to Baba Oloyin Original Television. As you are watching this, you will see subscribe button at the bottom of this video. You will see subscribe button. Press it. If you have not subscribed before, press subscribe so that anytime I load new videos, you will be able to see it. You'll be notified by YouTube. God bless you. Till next time.